Hi everyone, welcome back to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing a pearl pour but with a blow dryer Dutch going this way. My pearl recipe I'll put right here. You want to take a screenshot of that. It's thin, very thin, it sinks in. Okay, I'm going to be putting my colors down first. I'm going to be layering them, and then I'm going to pour my pearl around it and then use my blow dryer to finish it off. Let's talk about the colors real quick. This first one is Arteza Crimson Red. This one is Amsterdam Red. Yeah, just red, I guess. Color 315. This one is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. Yep, I still have some of this. This one is just a mixture of some leftovers, different reds. Not sure. This next one, the orange, is Amsterdam Azo Orange and Creative Inspirations Cadmium Orange. These two together. This one is Golden India Yellow Hue and Basics Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. These two together. This color. And the last color is a Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. It's always hard to say. They don't make it anymore, so I'm glad I have this. So that's my colors. There's 7 colors. I'm going to go ahead, I already have it taped on the back. Got my big push pins to keep it up off my table. I'll be right back. Okay, I put some Artist Loft Soft Body on there. I'm going to go ahead and just make the sides a little sticky because it is going to be a pearl recipe. So if those pearls go off the side or on the edge, I want them to stick a little better. Just get it tacky. So let's start with the colors. Let's start with pretty Arteza Crimson. Amsterdam Red. Black. Orange. Custom color. Yellow, and Nickel Azo. So it doesn't like that color. Okay, I want to hurry up and put before it spreads out too much, I'm going to go ahead and put the whites along the edge, all the way around. Just wanted to do that first before I go ahead and put it all over. Make sure I get over the edge here, all the way around. Oops, there's some goobies. Get your goobies quickly. Let's get going here. Hair dryer I'm using today little blue one. A lot of artists use this one. I have it on low. So let's get going. It does have heat, so go ahead and put it over. Let's see how I can do it. Let's just wait and see what it turns out like. Got a lot of cells going on. I would have used less paint and this part would have been thinner. Maybe I'll do that next time. And until it finishes doing its thing, it's hard to know what's going to happen. I like the black. Sort of black pearls are showing up around the edges. Paint left in here. I just didn't want to blow it twice. I can do it with my small blower, but I don't see where I really need to do it. So let's just wait and see what happens here. If I would have had it on high, that might have been better because I would have pushed the colors out further. Having it on low was possibly a mistake. But we'll just let it go. I'll put you on time lapse so we can see what takes place here. I think it's done, but if not, I'll bring you back. I'm going to go ahead and take some close-ups. That's cool right there. I like that. The pearl cells look good, pretty defined. Like that. Black is coming through the cells. Pretty cool. Don't know how much more will react, but I'll have some pictures at the end. Once it stops, I think it's already stopped, but check out the pictures at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please shop my Amazon shop. All the materials I use are in there. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.